Do you love walking tacos? Do you love strawberry pretzel salad? Well, let's make an easy version of the strawberry pretzel salad. Let's make walking strawberry pretzel salad. Let's go.
Grab yourself a box of cheesecake instant pudding, a can of strawberry topping, cold milk, cool whipped topping, and little bags of pretzels.
Now let's whisk our instant cheesecake pudding in 2 cups of cold milk until it's smooth and creamy. First you want to do is smash up your pretzels into smaller pieces. That's some of the cream cheese pudding, some of the strawberry pie filling on top of that, and a dab of whipped topping. Now let's give it a try. Dig deep, get some of those pretzels. Woo! It's salty and sweet and cool and refreshing. You're gonna love this, and so will your kids. You just say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!